Today we are going to see block 4, multiplying and dividing numbers. So in this block what we are going to learn we will see. So we will learn point number 1, 3 and 4 digit numbers can be multiplied by 2 digit number. So we are going to take 3 and 4 digit number with multiply by 2 digit number. Next, 3 and 4 digit numbers can be divided by 2 digit number. The product or quotient of two numbers can be estimated by rounding off. Point number 4. Word problems on multiplying or dividing by 2 digit numbers can be solved by the following method. So these are the 4 topics we are going to learn in this block. Let us see. The first lesson is lesson number 1, multiplying by 2 digit numbers. Okay, so now we will see how to multiply the numbers by using the column method. We know very well in 4th standard itself we multiplied the numbers by using the box method and column method. Okay, so column method. Now here we are going to see how to multiply. Question number 1, 236 into 27 into in the sense multiply. 236 multiply by 27. So you have to multiply. Dear children, I told you to many times, kindly go through the tables. Each and every day you have to learn the tables. Then only easy for you to do the multiply sums and division sums. Okay. So now we will see how to multiply the numbers. For that, first we have to take the ones place. This is multiplicand. 236 is multiplicand, 27 is a multiplier. Okay, so now you have to take the ones place of the multiplier, which is 7 is here. Now you have to multiply with the 7 with the 3 numbers. Let us see. 7 6 are 42. 2 will be here, 4 will be remaining. Next, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 will give you 25. Remaining will be 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 will give you 16. So this is how you have to multiply with the ones digit number. Next we have to take the tens place value, which is 2 here. So you have to take the 2 with the multiply with the 3 numbers. Okay. Now 2 6 are 12. So we are taking the tens place value. So that's what you have to write the numbers value under the tens. So you're not supposed to write in the ones place value. Okay, try to understand. This is the tens place value. So that's what you have to take and write the answer for under the tens place. Okay, 2 6 are 12. So instead of the 12, 2 you have to write here, 1 will be the remaining. Next 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Next 2 2s are 4. At last you have to add the two products value. Product in the sense you multiply, no, these are the value which is known as product. Okay, so now you have to add. There is no number under the 2, so the 2 it will come as it is. Next 5 plus 2 will give you 7. 6 plus 7 will give you 13. For the 13 33 you have to write 1 will be on the top. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. Final answer is 6372. Next, one more problem we are going to work out. Second question, 5618 multiplied by 29. Listen the class. 9 8s are 72. For the 2 you have to write here, 7 will be the remaining. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7 will give you 16. Remaining will be 1. Next, 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 1 will give you 55. 5 you have to write here, remaining will be the 5. Next, 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5 will give you 50. Next we have to take the tens place value, which is 2 here. You have to take and multiply with the 4 numbers. So it is the tens place value. So you have to take and write the answer also under the tens number. So next 2 8s are 16. For the 16 6 you have to write, 1 will be the remaining. Next 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 2 6 are 12. For the 12 2 you have to write, 1 will be the remaining. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 will give you 11. Finally, you have to add those things. 2. There is no number under that. So the same 2 will come at again. Next, 6 plus 6 will give you 12. For the 12 2 you have to write 1 will be the remaining. 1 plus 6 will give you 1 plus 5 will give you 6. 6 plus 3 will give you 9. 0 plus 2 will give you 2. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. The same one it will come again. So the final answer is 1,62,922. Next, lesson number 2, dividing by 2-digit numbers. So we are going to take the 4-digit number, how to divide with the 2-digit number. Here is the first question, 6,538 divided by 12. Dear children, this is known as a dividend, this is known as a divisor. Understood? So now we will see how we are going to divide this number. 6,538 you have to write like that. Next 12 you have to take and write here. First you have to take the first number. 6 will come in 12th table? No. So that's what you have to take the 2-digit number, which is known as 65. Number 65 in 12th table, how many times it will come? 5 times. Okay, 12 5s are 60. So you have to subtract. 65 minus 60 will give you 5. Next number is 3. You have to take that number from the dividend place. Now the number is 53. Again you have to check number 53 in 12th table how many times? 4 times. 12 4s are 48. 53 minus 48 will give you 5. At last the final number is 8. Number 58 in 12th table how many times? Again it will be 4 times. So you have to take and write the smaller value of this number. Alone you can subtract. If you are taking the higher number, you can't subtract. I hope you all know that. So again I am telling to you, you have to take the smaller value for subtracting. So 4 12s are 48. So 58 minus 48 will give you 10, or else 8 minus 8 is 0, 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So at last there is no number in the dividend place, so you have to stop your work for dividing. So this is the value for quotient. Q equal to 544, R equal to, R in the sense remainder, R equal to 10. Now the next step, what we are going to do, either the answer of Q equal to 544 and R equal to 10 are right or wrong. Here we are going to check. Shall we check? For that, the formula you have to apply. The formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I am repeating the formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dear children, we know the value of dividend. I told you to, this is the value for dividend 6,538. This is the value for divisor. This is the value for quotient. This is the value for remainder. So wherever it is there, you are going to give the values of the correct places. So now divisor is 12 into quotient is 544 plus remainder is 10. Now you have to multiply the two things, which is 12 into 544 will give you the answer 6,528. Along with that, you have to add with 10. So finally it will give you 6,538. So here also 6,538, there also 6,538. So both the values are equal. So we verified, isn't it? So our answer of Q equal to 544, R equal to 10, absolutely correct answer. So this is how you have to verify your answers. Second question, find the missing digits. In this question, here we are going to find some missing numbers. Okay, so here there are so many boxes are there. We will find out what is the correct number will come here. So let us see. Here, my dear children, this is number 15, which is our divisor. This is our dividend, isn't it? So listen the number carefully. On the quotient place 3 which has come. So 15 3s are 45. Under that the remainder is 3. So what number it will come there? After subtracting 5, you will be getting as answer of 3. So it will come here 8. So 48 minus 45 will give you 3. Next number is 6. So now the number is 36. Now 36 in 15th table, how many times it will come? 2 times. 15 twos are 30. So 36 minus 30 will give you 6. At last, the next number is 0. Now the number is 60. 60 in 15th table, how many times it will come? 4 times. 15 fours are 60. So inside the box it will come here 6. Okay. So 60 minus 60 will give you 0. So this is how you have to find the filling numbers. Okay, in the sense the box there are so many numbers are missing, no, so there you have to give the correct answer. So I hope you all understood the question. Thank you, children.